Hernandez Andrea. I'm an assistant professor of entrepreneurship at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University here in Daytona Beach, Florida. And I'm here to talk to you about my paper with Aurora Zen, Diego Gazzaro, and Cesar Costa, all from the Federal University of Rio Grande do Sul in Brazil. The paper is entitled Why Startups Fail in Emerging Entrepreneurial Ecosystems. It was recently published by Verjape, Entrepreneurship and Small Business Journal. As the title suggests, the paper wants to uncover the processes that occur outside of the business in the ecosystems in which these businesses are inserted that contribute to the early failure of startups that would otherwise have a good chance of success. To achieve these, we used Eisenberg's model of entrepreneurial ecosystems divided into six domains. We then tried to understand the influence of each of these domains on the circumstances that entrepreneurs face that determine their startup failure. Thus, we contribute to the entrepreneurial ecosystems literature by exploring how emergent ecosystems influence on the discontinuity of promising startups. We focus on startups, technology-based companies with high potential of growth and impact, because when successful, these types of companies tend to rely on entrepreneurial ecosystems that facilitate their entrepreneurial actions. To investigate this, we performed exploratory research interviewing entrepreneurs whose startups fail in the emerging entrepreneurial ecosystem of Porto Alegre in the south of Brazil. And we complement these analyses by collecting secondary data. Overall, we generate ideas on how each of the ecosystem domains influence a startup mortality. The results indicate that emerging entrepreneurial ecosystems could be much better in avoiding the premature failure of startups. In particular, even when a considerably good human capital domain is present, the other five domains are very relevant and can lead startups to fail. In our case, the domains of policy and finance are the ones that bring the greatest issues and need lots of improvement, while the domains of culture, support, and markets are the three middle ground dimensions. They are not so bad, but they still need to improve. Importantly, our results support policymakers in their decision making by suggesting what should be the focuses of interventions to improve the features that seem most relevant to entrepreneurs in their startup um, initiatives. The public agents can then work to provide better environment for future entrepreneurial endeavors. Thank you very much. We hope you enjoy the paper and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.